Okay, there we go. All right, so this says write the equation of the line. The equation of the line is y equals mx plus b. So that's the same thing. The equation of the line is this. All right, so write the equation of the line. It gives us our coordinates that passes through these 2 points, -2, 9, and 2, 3. Well, this is x1, this is y1. Those are our coordinates. That's x1, that's y1. This is x2, and that's y2. So define the m. First, we need to find the m, which is the slope. All right. So the m equals the change in y, which is y2 minus y1, over the change in x. All right. So I'm not going to say your name, but I'm talking to you in the back. All right. I'm not going to say your name. All right. Cool. So, person I'm not saying the name. What is y2? All right. So 3 minus, what's y1? Okay. And what's x2? Minus. Okay. So, in your decimals calculator, type that in. Type in 3 minus 9 over 2 minus -2. Let's see what we get. I might be able to do it. You said -3 over 2? Okay, -3 over 2. So that's our m. M is -3 over 2. Okay, so I'm going to put down here y equals mx plus b. We know what our slope is, so y equals, our slope is -3 over 2. Now we got to figure out what b is. All right, who's the b? What's the b? Let's find out what our b is. And the way we find out what b is by plugging in. So we're going to plug in y equals mx plus b, which is our slope of the line. We're going to go with our first coordinates. Our y is 9. So 9 equals, and what's our slope? -3 over 2. What's our x? Our x is -2. -2 plus b. All right, so who I'm not going to name, so I won't break HIPAA regulations. Multiply -3 over 2 by -2. -3 over 2 times, and you can put it in decimals in the calculator using the parentheses, -2, and it'll do the same thing. So when you did -3 over 2 times -2, the answer was 3. All right, so she says the answer is 3. Okay. He or she or they say the answer is 3. All right, so now we have 9 equals 3 plus b. We're trying to get b by itself, so we're going to do the inverse operation. Remember the inverse operation? The inverse of plus is minus. The inverse of multiplication is divide. So, what's the inverse of 3? -3. All right, so we're going to do -3 on both sides. The students are fighting in the bathroom again. I've got to work on that. All right, this cancels out. This 3 minus 3 is 0. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 is b. b is 6. So now I can add my b. It's actually a positive 6. So the answer is 6. And now I filled in everything. And my final answer, bubble wrapping, my final answer is right there. Y equals negative 3 over 2 plus 6. Do we see that as one of the options? All right. Answer is B. That's how you're going to solve that. Cool. So let me stop the report.